Hello students, in these slides I want to discuss about the introduction to the spherical mirrors. When a mirror in the shape of the sphere is cut on the side like this, we are getting a convex mirror as shown in the figure. Types of spherical mirrors: convex mirror, where outside surface is reflecting surface and inside surface is silvered surface. Concave mirror, where outside surface is silvered surface and inside surface is reflecting surface. Important terminologies we are using here. So pole, for this spherical mirror, pole is nothing but the center of the mirror. It is the midpoint of the aperture of the spherical mirror. Center of curvature, the center of the sphere of which the curved mirror is a part is called as center of curvature O. So like this, if you form the sphere, for that sphere you are getting one center and that will become the center of curvature for the mirror. Radius of curvature, it is the radius of the sphere of which mirror forms a part, or it can also be defined as it is the distance from the center of the curvature to the pole of the mirror. Principal axis, this is the mirror, P is the pole, and this line which passes through pole, focus and center of curvature, that is called as principal axis. That is imaginary line passing through the center of the curvature and the pole is called as a principal axis. Principal focus, this is a convex mirror. Principal axis, the rays coming parallel to the principal axis, they reflect and appearing like they are diverging from a single point along the principal axis. That point is known as focus. For a parallel rays incidenting on the convex mirror, the reflected ray appears to be diverse from F. This point is called as principal focus. This is a concave mirror, the principal axis. The rays coming parallel to the principal axis, they reflect and passes from a single point along the principal axis, which is known as focus. It can be defined as, for a parallel rays incidenting on the concave mirror, the reflected rays converges at a point F. This point is called principal focus. Here it is a real. For a convex mirror, the focus is virtual. For the concave mirror, focus is a real. Focal length. This is a convex mirror, pole point. This is the principal axis. This is the focus point. The distance between the focus and the pole of the mirror itself is called as focal length. Focal plane, mirror, pole, principal axis, principal focus, center of curvature. The plane which passes through the focus and kept perpendicular to the principal axis, that is taken as focal plane.